We can't say naughty things because there's kids watching.
Fair enough.
There's kids watching.
Are you in for that, Josh?
Yeah, kids.
How well timed was that?
Good morning to you from Wesley Intermediate. Woo! Everyone is so excited to be here this morning, and we are learning about the importance of breakfast because Sanitarium and Fonterra are putting on their KickStart breakfast program. Yes.
How cool is that? Is that a gym you're in, or the school hall with all those colourful flags? And that looks great.
We're in the school hall. We're in the school hall.
Can we get a little panning shot of the flags and stuff? Because that looks cool.
Okay, Hans, can we have a little look at the school hall? Is that all right? As you can see, everyone is tucking into their breakfast this morning. And half the reason why everyone is so excited is because Beatrice Farmer-Wenner has just come on board as the ambassador for the KickStart program. So I'll tell you more about that very soon. We will chat to her. But first of all, let's check out today's forecast. A ridge has extended over northern parts of the country. A front exits the far south this morning, but another frontal system is motoring in to take its place. It will deliver some heavy rain, and a warning has been issued for Fiordland. 80 to 120 millimetres could fall by 9 o'clock tonight. So scattered falls spread across much of Southland. That's coupled with strong west to northwest winds, which will reach gale force for exposed parts of Otago and inland Canterbury. Cloud increases in the west with drizzle affecting most of the coast this morning. Rain pushes in later with heavy falls reaching as far as Bulla. It's very warm in the east with temperatures reaching the mid-20s. The lower North Island gets strong north to northwest winds, while westerlies also strengthen about Wanganui and Palmerston north. There's some morning cloud about Gisborne and Hawke's Bay, but that should burn off later. The top half of the island can expect plenty of sun. It's fine with light west to southwest winds. Highs range between 21 and 26 degrees. Well, Beatrice is my breakfast buddy this morning. I've got some Wheat Bix. What have you got?
Yeah, I've got Wheat Bix. I've got a bit of fresh and fruity. So, yeah, no, always good to have a good kickstart to your day.
Yeah. Now, tell us about your new role.
Well, the wonderful thing about my program now, or being ambassador for KickStart Breakfast, is it's available to over 300 schools in New Zealand, and we really want to be able to target other schools that are out there that are, rated from a decile 1 to 4 schools. So if you're out there, we'd love to hear from you. Absolutely.
And what are you actually going to be doing in each of these schools?
So now, with the opportunity, obviously, with Toyota, they provided a RAV4, so I can actually physically get out to the schools, talk to the children, and also be offering a leadership program for them. Yeah. So one of the wonderful things about being back at Wesley is a lot of these students are asking me about what did you do when you were at school, what was it like? Some of them are asking, were you naughty? Little things like that.
Were you naughty?
No, I was a prefect here. So... But, and a lot of, the giving part about having a meal together is a time for sharing. A lot of them get to know their buddies really, really well. And one of the benefits that we've heard time and time again from their teachers is the students are a lot more alert now and attentive in class. And that is, for me, just brilliant. That's what it's all about.
That's great. And this is where it all started for you with the discus, isn't it?
It did, actually. I was talking to some of the students this morning. I said this is where it all sort of began. And the first and last time I ever danced was also on that stage.
Wow.
A little bit different. Who would have thought 20 years later?
And breakfast, I guess, is so important for that.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Just the chance to sit down and have a meal. You really need to have that good start in the morning. And thanks to, Fonterra and Sanitarium, these children are going to be benefactors.
Fantastic stuff. Well, Beatrice is going to be with us all morning. We are going to be tucking into this breakfast right here. But if you do want to find out more about it, just go to kickstartbreakfast.co.nz. We're having a great time. Are you having a good time? Yeah?
Yes!
Fun stuff.
They've had their Wheat Bix this morning.
Josh, can we get are you able in the next break to get that huge mass of children to give us a whoop and a...
Totally.
A bullfire.
I'm going to work on that.
Can you work on some calls?
They're going to be the best school at this, I reckon. We'll do them all.
All right.
we want too.
That'd be fantastic. A whole range of calls.
Michael's back with our business update now.